So the meatballs are now done. So now I'm gonna get ready to make the gravy. So I'm gonna take these meatballs out. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, just look at that. So I'm gonna take all of these out and I'm gonna come right back. Wait a minute, hold on. Push this up a little more. Be right back. Okay, so these are the meatballs here. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to make a nice base for the sauce. Okay, these are the onions from yesterday that came off of the meat. Okay, and I'm going to use some of the raw ketchup that I made the other day. And these are the peppers from yesterday. Remember that? And the onions. The pepper and the garlic. Okay. And what I'm also going to do is use these, when you have tomatoes that are starting to wither, don't throw those away because those can make for a real nice gravy. Okay, so I'm going to come right back.